right. Buongiorno, buenos dias to the world. So this is right now another assignment for replacing compressor. So that's the old one over there. This is 3-ton compressor. So old one, when I came like a couple days ago, the windings, they were bad. And here, man, it's gonna, with one hand, it's hard. So I'm gonna show it to you. See right now, it's an open line, but right now we are testing. Man, holding camera, and I need 3 hands. Anyway, so you see that? That's a common, run and start. Common and run should get 1.7, 1.5 ohms. Common to start, it's a bigger winding inside electrical. It should get like 2 ohms. And then if you measure between run and start, those 2 windings, they should get about, so 1.5 add 2, about 3 or 3.2. So, and if that is wiring, if those wirings are disconnected, one of them, you will see bigger resistance, you know, on the ohms. So, yeah, the hard part was for this welding on the other side. You see, this side is very hard because there is no way to get through, you know. Here I had a hard time too, because you have to be careful, you know, you don't have to overheat this coil, that's the evaporator coil, or wires, you know. There is so much on the way, but somehow I made it. I hope so. This is a carrier, heat pump. Pablo, he knows everything about these units, you know. He's the master. And this is a downshot. So going into the conference room. So you see that corporation of carrier. So they design here in US, but they make in Mexico, because Mexico is a great neighbor of doing good quality work and affordable, because those units are maybe $5,000. If they made here, it would have cost $10,000, because they have to pay a lot of money to the labor department, workers' comps, insurance, you name it. There is so much involved in the United States. I mean, it's crazy. But Mexico, man, Mexico, viva de Mexico. It's beautiful people, work hard, and make everything affordable. So right now, I evacuate all the moisture. It's more than 15 minutes right now. So there is no leaks. Oh, Pablo, here, bro, last time you remember, you know, we had the leaks. I find that my hoses were leaking. So today I bought a new one. So the old hose was leaking from here. And that's why, you know, we couldn't find the leak, because it was leaking from there, and it's very hard to notice, you know. So, but I figured out. Anyway, see that? I'm gonna turn it back on again. And that's the all air takes from the system. So right now it's kind of, you see, it's choking. That's when all the air is out, because air has non-condensable, you know. If it is gonna trap inside the system, so it's gonna block the orifice right here. You see on the liquid side, if there is air, it's gonna freeze, and then it's gonna block the liquid, and everything it will be frozen. So yeah, shoot, step on it. right now I'm gonna, hell, so much stuff on the way. So I'm gonna put my scale, then start charging this puppy. Here I'm gonna show it you. It's beautiful. This is like a recycling place, Edco. So they get like a city contract, I don't know, about $3 million or $5 million every year. And they recycle, take trash from the community. And that's why there is no disease here in the United States of America. They just make it in laboratory and kill the world with different viruses. Anyway, but this year, man, everybody is so amazed. I mean, it's, what is it, April 14th? It's still cold. You know, it's mountain snow. By this time, last year it was already hot. So when the sun is out, if you are on top of the roof, this glare from the reflection from this white stuff make you blind, man. Oh, that's another, you see that? This guy, capacitor is bad. Where are you going? I said stop right there. Exactly. Going back. Huh. Kinetic energy. Newton law. Or Einstein. Maybe Tesla. Yeah. Right. Yeah, all this stuff I had to carry in to the roof. And it takes a lot of effort. Through that hatch. And pretty much, you know, if you don't know how the AC works, it's very simple. That's the return air. Goes to that evaporator. And this is a heat pump. So that puppy pumps the refrigerant. This is like liquid one, and that's the suction vapor. And through the evaporator. And of course, through a condenser coil. It's a closed loop, closed system, you know, so we have to make sure that there is no leaks. And they had dampers, zone system, you see, this one energized the damper, a computer downstairs, and they had this transformer for this unit and this one for the computer zone system in the ceiling. Yeah, pretty much it's, that's a microprocessor, and that's the relay for the evaporator right here. See, it's old, man. And this is the new one I put it the other day. You know, sometimes I feel like when I go through this hatch roof, I feel like in a submarine. You know, when they raise to the surface and then come out to get some fresh air. And that's what I feel like being in a submarine.